Okay, here's a video of the 100-ton, 10-foot accurpress. That's inside the electrical cabinet. That turns the machine on. This turns the back gauge on, or actually the control on. There's the Automech manual. There's the original machine manual for the press, and that's the manual for the old control. Let's do a little walk around here. Go ahead and start the pump. Let the pump warm up a little bit. It's dusty. The control, there's the Automech control. There's the ETS 100 control. Foot control. Got one front arm support off. The die rail. I'll throw those in. Those mounts are real nice. Made those. The original accurpress back gauge. Everything's dusty, that's for sure. It needs a good wipe down. Oil cooler. That box here is part of the upgrade for the Automech. No oil leaks or anything. So we'll go ahead and calibrate the RAM. So the first thing we need to do is enable RAM, and then we need to go manual, calibrate, and then advance. And now we can bring the press down. So now we'll come back over here and we'll press C. Yeah, we press C. So now the RAM's calibrated. It says RAM depth is at 0. And now it's going to calibrate the back gauge. So the back gauge is coming back. Now the back gauge is calibrated. It's at 2 inches. So if we want to change it to 4, we just go dim 4000 manual advance. Now it's moving back to 4. And then if we want to maybe set, I always ran it in depth mode, not angle mode. So now we can, so our ram depth on that first bend is, so let me, so we'll go back to jog, and so now we're at 4. Our preset was 450. It's at 462, and so we're a little shy. Little shy. Pretty good though. So here's some pictures of some of the tooling that's been cut down. And then there's an 1.5 inch shorty there, I think, and then we got gooseneck, some die rails that have been chopped up a little bit for spacers. Another one there. Great big 4-inch. I think that's a 4-inch or 3-inch. Yeah. This is kind of examples of some of the stuff I bent, but that's actually for one of my own parts. This is the one job I still got to run. Got to bend those up, but not a big deal there. I bent all kinds of things on it. These are pliers that I bent with these fixtures. Kind of hard to explain, but these are actually pliers that for railroad, and but yeah, I cut those and then machined them a little bit, and then we formed them on that press. I've made thousands. This is probably the highest volume thing I've ever done. I used to make these with my old accurpress too, and then we've made them that one wasn't bent, so you can see the offsets. They go together like that. But anyway, but yeah, it's real good machine, clean, just a little dusty, like I said. Let me set the The pressure gauge line is still hooked up here. So that's inside the pump. Just needs a wipe down basically. It's just got a bunch of industrial dust on everything, but everything's real clean. There's for rigging it, for chaining it down, I put the factory tie downs, just set them in there so I'd have them if I ever moved it. Yeah, there she is back on.